yeah, that weapon is completely broken. But hey, welcome. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to install 1.21 extremely quick with two different methods. The first I'm going to show you is going to be through a hosting platform, which is one of the best and most secure methods to do. And the second one will be locally on your computer. However, I will not be showcasing how to port forward. I still don't suggest creating a public home hosted server unless it's on a completely different network. But if you are just developing on the actual home hosted server, that is a perfect reason to actually start one today. But that's enough said. Let's get cracking with this. All right. And for the first method, of course, this video is sponsored by Revivenode. So if you guys want to check out a server with them, look no further. I'm literally going to be explaining how to set up 1.21 with Revivenode. And just to show you how easy it is, I'm not even looking at the panel right now. I'm going to do all this from memory. So poor old me in the future is going to have to do every single step that I'm saying right now. Once you got your server, all you have to do is one, go into the version changer. In there, you can go ahead and select a jar type you want from Forge, Vanilla, Fabric, anything you really want. After that, you go ahead and select what version you want. In this case, we're going to do 1.21. Next up, we go ahead into our console page. We start up the server. And just like that, we are essentially done. Make sure to accept the EULA as always. And I am not joking in how simple that really is. After a few seconds, your server should be up and running. Now that was the easy method, but of course that was the easy method. Let's go ahead into method 2. Follow me and I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to do. All right, to begin the second method, all you're gonna have to do is launch your actual Minecraft launcher for the easiest steps. In this case, I'm gonna go into installations, and typically they always have the latest release right here. We're gonna go ahead and click these three dots, click edit, and then we can go ahead and click server, and here it'll have a direct download link for the files. This is what you're gonna get, essentially a server.jar. I would recommend you having Java installed if you have not installed Java. What we're going to do is just create a folder. We're gonna call this Minecraft server. It doesn't really matter what the name of the actual folder is. I'm gonna plop that in there. Next up, we're gonna do is open up our notepad, and here is where we're gonna put all our bells and whistles. To get it started, I will have a copy in the description down below what you actually need, and it's super simple. It's just gonna be Java and then the amount of gigabytes you're providing it -jar, and it's gonna look for the name server.jar. Once you have that complete, we're going to do file, save as. In here, we're gonna plop it inside the actual server. And instead of this janky name, we're just gonna replace it, the entire thing, with just start.bat. I'm gonna go ahead and click save, and then we can just close it down. So we can go ahead and just click on start.bat, and this is gonna pop up with a bunch of information. Don't need to worry about it too much. It's gonna download the necessary files which we need. After it's done that, it'll give you a prompt saying that you need to accept the EULA before starting the server. We're gonna go ahead and open up the EULA. We're gonna replace false with true. Always make sure to read the EULA as well, as this is guidelines you will have to follow and agree with Mojang. We're gonna go ahead and click Control S, save that. I can go ahead and close it, and now I can just start it up. Two pop-ups will appear. Do remember that this is not port forward, and you will have to do that in order to play with friends online. This is essentially a server that you can develop and locally host within your PC. Going into Minecraft, I can go ahead and click on multiplayer. I could add a server, and in here I can just do local host, click done. And if I just wait a second, you can see that I can just connect to it perfectly fine. We can enter in the world, and in here we can also do op and then the username. So in this case, I'll just put my own. And now I'm made an operator in the actual game. I can go ahead and creative or whatever I feel best. I can do whatever is necessary in this world to complete my tasks. And I'm not gonna lie, this is some pretty awesome generation. There's a seat if anybody needs it. Jesus Christ. But hey, yeah, that's the whole video right there. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you guys have, make sure to leave a like on the video and make sure to check out Revivenode. And I am not even joking. I am trying to do this at the same time here, so give me a second. Either way, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Make sure to put your ideas in the comment section, and I will try to do them as soon as possible. Other than that, I'm Diamond. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Yeah, that's right. Oh.